Hello there, I hope you're well. Testing out a new hammock tonight. It's a Unigear single layered one. I'm used to using double layered ones. And I don't think it feels very thick, but there's only one way to find out. Let's get it set up. Look how tiny this is. This is also an open top hammock, so there's no midge net with this one either, or mosquito net. And this is the Unigear one. This is an overmont one. And yeah, by comparison, it's tiny. But that's because there's only one layer. There's a clip on the top, so you can actually buckle it all down. Inside the bag, you get a couple of tree straps, and the bag itself doubles as a pocket when you've got the hammock set up. Yeah, great. Well, it's taking my weight without any issue. It does feel very thin. Well, that took a little bit of doing, but I'm in. Right, okay. And there's a lot of hammock in this. Like on both sides, there's a lot of hammock. So I've got plenty of room. See you in the morning. Hopefully, nothing drastic will have happened in between. Let's have a look at this hammock in the cold light of day. So there's two good strong carabiners. Now I've done that thing that I always do with these. I've noticed just about every hammock comes with one of these straps wrapped around the other, and only one of those is on the carabiner. I like to have both of them on the carabiner. For some reason, I feel it's stronger and gives a better hang. Probably negligible. These tree huggers are well stitched and strong. Got no issues with those, and they're amply long enough. I mean, look at that, still a load of length left. It's the same at the other side, pointless me showing you that. The little carry bag's great. It's made up of 3 pieces of nylon. It is not ripstop nylon. So you've got one large piece in the middle, that's the darker green in this case, and then the 2 lighter green sides. The stitching on this is triple stitched. What I can say is, on all of the stitching, there appear to be no loose ends. I have to say, for the money, this is incredibly well made. One of the advantages to this little thing is, if you put a little bit of weight in there, you can actually fling that over you in the night, just to keep a little bit of the wind off you and so on, a bit more protection, because this hammock is so big. Yeah, I am impressed. I have no idea how long it'll last. As I say, it is a single skin and it isn't ripstop. And of course, one of the great things about these type of hammocks and this type of camping is just how easy it is to pack that away. So all you do when you've taken it down is take the 2 ends with the carabiners in, feed them into the bag, and then just stuff everything else in, stuff the rest of the body of it in. Coil the tree straps up. Do you know what? You probably don't even, this is just a habit that I've got into, you probably don't even need to coil them up. You probably could just stuff them in. Right, there's a coiled one anyway. Done. How easy is that? I hope you've liked this review video of this hammock. It was just a brief field test, just to give it a try out really, and just to see whether it was any good. I am actually quite impressed with it, as I say. It will be coming out again. The next one I test out will be the overmont, the open top one, as in there's no midge net. If you have enjoyed this, please give the video a thumbs up. If you like what I'm doing on the channel, please subscribe. Costs you nout, as we say in Yorkshire. All it means is you get a notification whenever you open up YouTube, if ever I've uploaded another video. And let's face it, I know you don't want to miss out. I'm in my egocentric mode again. All right, you take care of yourself. Thanks for watching. Cheerio.